Nazar is good deep to the body again from well and he's thrown.
Sa pagtatapos ng kanilang laban ay nabitin pa ata ang kalaban ng Pinoy. Sa nakaraang laban ng Pinoy-British fighter nitong June 6, 2025 ay umakyat ng timbang ang ating kababayan sa Super Featherweight Division. Dito nga mga bay ay nakaharap niya ang pambato ng Argentina na si Rick Quinn RC. Isang veterano itong kalaban ng Pinoy at kilala nga ito sa tibay kung saan sa 40 fights nito ay 5 beses pa nga lang itong bumagsak. 29 anyos itong Argentinian mga bay at 21 anyos naman ang dugong Pinoy na si Tom Welland.
The right part of his chest and he throws doesn't land with all of them. Certainly there's another, but he certainly, if Welland sees a gap he'll go for it. We all know Welland's heavy-handed. Top 5 of his 8 opponents so far. Welland looking for that right hand on Welland. That's a lovely body shot. 2 lovely body shots. Great accuracy there from Welland.
Oh, when he sits down you almost see his legs engage, push into his shots. Keep developing, keep winning, you have to be moved on.
Little bit of success there for our set.
Bago pa man magtapos ang yugtong ito mga bay ay huwag kalimutang pindutin ang like at subscribe button at pati na rin ang notification bell para maging una ka sa ating mga upload videos. Matinding pagsubok para sa dugong Pinoy itong Argentinian fighter sapagkat 5 beses na nga itong lumalaban sa United Kingdom at lahat nga ng kanyang nakalaban ay parehong mga undefeated fighters. Kaya kung sa experience ang pagbabasihan ay nakuha na lahat nitong katunggali ng ating pambato.
When you commit to the shot.
Off the left shoulder and then right hand.
But he's trying to do a little shoulder roll, isn't he? And that just makes it a little bit more difficult for Welland to land.
Now asked, idol is Manny Pacquiao. He said he doesn't much like the return of Pacquiao. He wishes that he'd stay retired.
And he has done a real good shift of the feet.
Sa pag-iisang minutong natitirang oras dito sa round 2 ay naging mas seryoso si Tom Welland sa pagsugod dito sa kalaban. Iilang mabibigat na suntok rin ang natamo nitong si Rick Quinn RC. Subalit sagad sa tibay itong Argentinian at hindi man lang natibag sa mga kombinasyong pinakawalan ng dugong Pinoy.
Forward and from Buenos Aires, good dig to the body again from Welland. He's thrown 5 or 6 excellent left hooks to the body and then a straight left hand from Welland. Just explodes into life at the end of round number 2. Back of the Maltesers in a fancy mirror. We move round 3 of a possible Secundo RC. Irish amateur dropped him in the second round. Success early against him. We know he can be hurt, certainly.
From where I'm sat. And I know that's Welland's shot. And because the left hand's low, that's the shot to throw. Because he turns that shoulder and leans back, he's waiting for the bit more of a disguise.
Right cross there from Welland, and then again he bangs to the body.
To the bicep, when he turns the body, he hit there. Good shot, fading with the jab there.
Again he looked for that right hand and wasn't quite there. Last Marseille.
Yeah, every now and again he's exploding.
Look heavy-handed, 5 knockouts on his record. There's definitely power there.
So keep humming that jab on.
Welland is finding him. All high-quality work has been the work. A little bit right-hand happy so far here, Barry.
Well, that's the that takes him home quite often. You know, it's a shot for him. But he's finding it hard to hit the target, so you either got to try to hit when RC turns and then bring it back into play.
There he goes to body. Referee tells him to get on with it. Nothing wrong with that. I'll say, throwing a left hook of his own. Welland tries to move in clean so far, Welland.
We used to see him landing full-blooded, aren't we? And having an effect. Grazing the target quite often because Arce's just been away out the distance and riding some of these shots.
Just again with that right hand and a bit more success to the body.
Look, for a young guy developing in his career, well, and you're not doing nothing wrong with him. Sometimes you just have to battle through going along. So, corner for him.
Corner thing. He was awkward and I learned plenty.
Then I have to box a little bit more.
Punishing left to the body, good response from Arce. Warning Arce, just telling him to...
If you're turning your body away, I don't see what you expect.
An under 6 by the way, Wellen, this nose against the awkward from Marcos Paz. Late call up for Facundo to stop his last 3. It's a good shot to the body there from Arce. Wellen certainly felt it. Can Arce build on it?
Every time he bent, oh, good shot.
That was the right hand if you're looking to land all 9. And a left hook that time from Wellen. The action, blood dripping from the nose of Arce.
And that's what you've got to love about Wellen, his pace and his work.
Arce again banging back. Wellen just opening. Through that left hook and backs Arce, and though this Facundo Arce. Looks from Tom Welland. There haven't been too many of those yet. See that blood gushing from the nose of Arce on the back of Welland.
Umabot pa nga sa last and final round ang bakbakan na ito, kung saan nga ang dugong Pinoy ay naging mas agresibo sa pagsugod. Subalit hanggang sa mga punto nga na ito ay nanatiling matinik itong kalaban na kung hindi mag-iingat si Tom Welland ay nakakalusot rin ang mga counter punches nitong Argentinian.
Want to try and stop his member. You want to finish with
Careful there, Welland, as well. When he's leaning forward on the eye, gets a cut or something. I bet the pace is not with it.
Been really busy so far in his pro career, and he'll want that to continue. Certainly doesn't want any cuts, and he's winning the fight.
Sa pangangalahati sa oras ng yugtong ito ay kita nga natin ang panggigigil na ng dugong Pinoy sa mithiing pabagsakin ang kalaban. Subalit hindi nga ito ganun kadali dahil sa magalaw itong si Arce at veterano nga ito sa mga ganitong eksena na ipinapakita ng kanyang mga naunang undefeated na kalaban.
I mean, he's well aware of that. He's made sure he stays out of trouble, but he's fired back when he...
He's landed a few shots that have without troubling him.
It suits Welland, actually. Just struggled with that little short shoulder turn, hasn't he, Welland? Fucking shot which is his right hand.
Backing Arce up here, final 30 seconds of the fight. Welcome.
Nice little sneaky uppercut there from Arce.
Sa pagtatapos ng kanilang laban ay nabitin pa ata ang kalaban ng Pinoy. Sa bagbakan nga na ito mga bay ay panalo si Tom Welland by unanimous decision sa score na 59-55. Daghang salamat mga bay, tangag sa dulo hindi pa rin kayo bumibitaw. Nais ko pong malaman ang inyong reaksyon sa ating video. Pag-komenta lang po sa baba at babasahin po natin yan. Daghang salamat at sa Diyos ang lahat ng papuri.